Motorcycle leathers. Everybody enjoys a great ride on a bike. When it comes to the rainy season, it's one of those things you don't really take a great deal of pleasure in doing because not all motorcycle leathers are fully waterproof. They will withstand the rain for a while. Eventually it will penetrate. How can you avoid this and how can you stop this from happening so that when you get to the other end, you are as dry at the other end as when you left? Whether it's half an hour, or 2 hours into your ride, you want to stay dry. Easy solution is the leather softening cream. It's actually completely impervious to water. It's been fully tested and proven. Apply 3 generous coats to the surface and you will have a very waterproof motorcycle suit. Simply apply on. If you've got perforations on your leather, do this to it and just simply massage into the leather. It'll also help to soften brand new leathers, so it's brilliant for that side of things as well, and fully waterproofs the skin, the surface of the skin surface of the leather coat, making it so that you can get to the other end and enjoy your ride with LRC20 softening cream on here. 3 or 4 coats. It is completely impervious to water. Any more help you need, leatherrepaircompany.com. Drop us an email as well, help@leatherrepaircompany.com. We're here to help you. Thank you.